I'm Miss Dara from the Rogers Public Library, and today we're doing the example video for Mix It, Squish It, which is going to be on Fridays at 2 p.m. We're going to do an in-person session, and then also we will put up a video of how to do it. So our first one is going to be soda pop slime. So this time we're doing taste safe slime. So this is not a slime that you will want to just eat a bunch of, but if you tasted it, or if you have a little one that wants to taste it, it's not going to hurt them. So it just takes Metamucil. And so in your kickoff packet, you will have a little baggie with a tablespoon of Metamucil. And so you will just pour that into a bowl. Just 1 tablespoon. And it smells like oranges. And then if you want to, you can get the single to-go packet of sugar-free drink mix. It can be any kind. This is Crush, but it can be any kind you want. So this one is Berry Crush. And so we're going to just add this to it. It just changes the scent a little bit and makes it smell really cool. The problem with this is it actually adds color too, and so it will get on your hands. So for example, if you just do the Metamucil by itself, this is a finished product of the Metamucil by itself. And this one I actually didn't make quite right because I didn't cook it in the microwave long enough, but as you see, it's very red. Very, very red. And if you touch it, your fingers turn very, very red. So if you use the drink mix, just be warned that it will change the color of your fingers. If you use just the Metamucil, it makes your fingers a little bit slimy, but it does not color your fingers. Okay, so then what you're going to need is a cup of water. And just warm water is fine. And mix it in there. Just mix that together. And you want it to be warm water so that it kind of helps it dissolve a little bit. So the orange and the blue made this a nice, pretty greenish color, but it smells wonderfully. All right, so then what you'll do after that is put it in the microwave for a minute. And then you will stir it up after that. After it's in there for a minute, stir it up and stick it back in there for a minute 2 more times. So a total of 3 minutes stirring in between them. And then you're going to want to stick it in, stir it up really, really good that time, and then do it 2 more times. So a total of 5 times, 5 minutes in the microwave, stirring each minute in between. But make sure you stir it really, really good, and make sure that you use a bowl that it's got enough room in it that it's not going to boil over. And when you take it out to stir it, it's going to be really, really hot, so don't touch it because it will burn your hands. Okay? So have an adult help you with this. Once you get it out, it looks kind of like this. As you can see, it's still really liquidy, but it's starting to slime. And so as it cools, it will get better and better like slime. You just keep stirring it, let it set. If you want to hurry it up a little bit, you can stick it into the fridge and let that cool it down. But as you see, mine already, which has just been out for just a little bit here, it's already starting to come together. And so once it completely cools off, it will be like this, which you can pick it up. And it's a slime substance. So it does break apart. It does get on your hands a little bit, but it's really cool to play with. So that is our slime for this week. So join me either in person or watch the videos online, and we'll have a lot of fun this summer doing edible slimes. All right, thanks guys.